NCM Motorsports Park. We're about to do a track day tomorrow. It's going to be awesome. Gonna miss a turn. Oh,
you're gonna miss it again.
I don't want to miss the freaking. I'm not even gonna give you the pleasure of seeing me try to back up this little trailer, because man can't back it up very well. Even I got a backup knob. Anyway, welcome to Bowling Green. 1,500 miles later, and a nice little U-turn, so I don't have to back it up. We're going to be entering the park. It's going to be cool. It's the first time I've been here. Let's go. But it's going to be time for a bigger trailer because it's coming up soon. Take a guess. Comment down below. What could it be? Is it going to be Shanna's new bike? Maybe I have to make it this number. Make it look like a race bike. Take the plate off. Right? There's no tickets on the track unless you get playing in the sand, illegal play of the sand. The plan is no sand. No sand plan. No going off, and have fun. Come visit me. Come to Orlando. Let's go for a ride. It'd be a good time. I mean that. Drop the comments down below. Hit me PM. I've already gone for a ride with a bunch of guys. It's been awesome. That's no kidding. It's been really a good time. I think I'm gonna run with these off tomorrow. So it stays. A lot of people make it all even with the light. Remember, the object is to come home in one piece, especially this one. She doesn't mind if I come home 6 feet under. She's got insurance.
What?
This bike doesn't. You have to laugh.
It's kind of morbid.
Is that why you're all happy me tracking a bike? I've been wondering, first of all, how in the world did I talk you into getting me new bikes again? There's a reason behind it.
You have to,
and
really.
I finally figured it out. I got insurance. The bike doesn't. That's why she's happy.
Pirate.
Arr.
You have tape on your foot. A little wet today. It's gonna be fun. Gonna leave the pressures at 29 and up front 27 in the back. Supposedly this is where you know the difference between a double-sided swing arm and a single-sided swing arm, because a double-sided is a little bit more stiff. I wouldn't know that because my man here just told me. Wait, double-sided has more. See, I'm opposite. Don't put that in the video.
The reason they went to double side is so they could have strategic flex when leaned over. In the frame.
That's gonna stay. I like that one. It's all about the strategic flex. I'm always about the flex. I didn't get my flex on this morning. I tried though. Should I do that silly dance?
Yeah.
No. If it stays relatively dry, I will increase everything and have a little bit more fun. Always.
Track's in great shape too.
Good, that's good to hear.
Yeah, perfect.
Looking forward to having some fun. That's why I'm here. Last time I heard, no one's paying me to be out here.
That's right. You gotta be fun then.
Oh, I always have fun.
Overtime pay.
I love this. I love her. I mean, it's tracking is. That's what this bike is. It's what these bikes are for.
fun though. Nerves are gone. I'm gonna be tired. This is a lot of moving around.
Hey, you're just adding leaning. Work on like ass out, follow with the head.
Why would you want the V4R when you already have an S?
Well, number one, you can't have enough bikes. Number two, the V4R is a really nice bike, and it's the last of the single-sided swing arm, and it would look good in the garage.
Oh, there you go. Our messy garage can be more cluttered.
No, it would be out here today. Make sure you guys check out my Instagram, because I do Instagram videos, and one's gonna come up tonight as soon as we get to the hotel. Also got TikTok. Check it out. Like, subscribe. Do those YouTube things too. We need that. This is fun. But we need more subs. More subs are better. Got some special plans. Just want to thank Motos America and Motos Experience for an awesome track day today. Everything was great. Coaches and instructors, lunch, everything was fantastic. You guys are all good people. Met some new good friends. What a blast. And thanks for watching. Oh, chili. Ooh, man, I'm tired. I'm out of here.